Hello there, it's Sunny here, and today I'm going to share with you how to become a student voice ambassadors and which steps you need to take first. Actually, this is the most popular question these days that I was asked lately, and let's have a look at this great blog post. You can find it on blog.flipgrid.com news SVA. How to become a student voice ambassador. And if you're interested in becoming a student voice ambassador, this is honestly, it's really simple. You need to earn your level 1 Flipgrid certified educator badge, and this is the first step that you need to take. You can do this anytime, including after you submit your ambassador video. Let's go, and all of these links are clickable. So you need, if you want to become level 1 first, of course you need to take this step. If you want to become a student voice ambassador, just click on this and you're going to appear on this page where it's like topic about level 1 Flipgrid certified educator. And you can see there are lots of responses, like 2,285 already. And I hope that soon is going to be, there's going to appear yours. So let's have a look. What you need to do, you need to have and demonstrate a basic understanding of Flipgrid, and if you're ready to become a Flipgrid certified educator, you should complete the requirements. Let's go and have a look at them. So use the Flipgrid. Okay. So we need to complete. You need to complete your Flipgrid educator profile first. It looks like this. And this is very essential if you want to find grid pals. Yeah, it's required. So the next one, everything must be completed here. Use Flipgrid with your students or colleagues and receive at least 3 video responses. It's really easy, honestly. 3 video responses. Oh my gosh, I've got lots of them. Meet and join the Flipgrid Favor community on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. These links are really clickable too, so you just can press and have a look at this community. Very welcoming, by the way. Yeah, it looks like this. So Flipgrid, nice. So we are flipping out of here. So let's go here. Share the impact Flipgrid has had with your learners by leaving a 1 to 2 sentence review of our Flipgrid app. So you may do this as well using Twitter, for example. Tell your Flipgrid story by posting a video on this topic. Which topic? Let's have a look. Yeah, this is the same that we have watched before. Yeah, we had watched it, and this is it. So if you filled your profile, yeah, this way. Okay, if you filled in your profile first, then you shared your ad, the community here on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. And next step, you are telling your story of using an empowering student voice in this topic. That's it. Once you have completed the requirements, our team will review and activate your badge. Which badge? Let's have a look. Yeah, student voice ambassador. You can see that these are my badge, and the same way you it will appear in your achievements place. So you will see it there. Anyway, let's have a look what else. And if you want to become level 2 certified, so here you are, you just press this clickable link as well and do it. If you have any questions, you can also email this support team and they will help you anyway. Okay, your first step is complete your profile as educator, as moderator, as a teacher, yeah, and after that you leave your comment, you leave your response over here in this topic. So it's really easy. I wish you good luck, and soon I'm sure that you're going to that you will become a Flipgrid certified level 1 and as well as a student voice ambassador. Good luck, guys. See you. Bye bye.